we got away from them. You lot shouldn't even be here. I'm just trying to do my job, and you decide to come in and cause all these problems for us. What does that even mean? I regret to inform you, but I'm going to eat your faces. Ha! Joke's on you. I'm not even edible. Don't you dare touch my brother or me. Ugh. I'm sorry. I wish there was reconciliation here, but they left me out of twin sanity. You still remember that? Zuri-chan, I'm scared. Please just kick his bum already. Please, no more. I've had enough beans for one day. Zuri-chan, I think that's enough. Listen, tell us what you know, or else. You're so fierce and inspiring. I like you, kiddo. I'll tell you where to go. Nina took Eddie to the beach. That's where the Dominator is being built. Where? Don't you mean Cortex? No. Nina. Bonk. You mean his niece? Yeah, Uku replaced Cortex and Nina's the ringleader now. This is bad. Nina's a lot stealthier and smarter than Cortex is. We gotta find them. Get ready. Bye-bye.